When I was writing my book, I couldn't stop thinking about one thing. How do I make learning sketching feel very personal? Over the years, I've taught more than 20,000 interior designers, architects, and creative professionals through my book courses and workshops. But I always wished I could sit next to every student and to explain perspective as we draw together, to see their sketches, to offer guidance, encouragement, and feedback along the way. That's why I created this app. This is a highly personalized sketching experience designed around your level, whether you're beginner, intermediate, or advanced, designed around your goals. And each day you will receive tailored activities, guided sketch sessions, and feedback on your drawings. You can upload your sketches directly into the app and receive thoughtful, structured feedback because I've trained the app to respond the same way I guide my own students based on years and years of teaching and thousands of reviewed sketches. So you will know exactly what to practice next. Draw like an interior designer, and welcome to my app.